Let me show you in this video how to find trending sound on YouTube. Come to screen side, we will show you. In this video I will show you. Click on Safari, go to Google, then search here trending chart on YouTube, the first number option. You can click here simply, then click on YouTube music chart. When you click here you will show you. Here click on country, you can suggest the country. Okay, from which country do you want to check the trending sound? So I want to check the United Kingdom. Okay, there is show this video on trending. If you want to check the song, short video, everything you can check here easily.